Storage and accessibility. Local multimedia. Store on a device, that is computer, hard, hard drive, and accessed locally. Cloud-based multimedia stored on remote servers and access over the internet. Level of interactivity. Static multimedia, non-interactive content such as still images or a simple slideshow. Interactive multimedia allows user to engage with and manipulate the content common in interactive websites, games, and simulations. Platform or devices. Desktop multimedia, designed for computer and laptop. Mobile multimedia, tailored for smartphones and tablet. Immersive multimedia utilize virtual reality or augmented reality, performs for a more immersive experience. Temporal characteristics. Synchronized multimedia, all media elements are presented automatically. Asynchronous multimedia, media elements are presented at different stages. Audio file format, WAV, AIFF, uncomposed high quality audio format suitable for professional applications. FLAC, ALAC, lossless compression format that retain audio quality while reducing file size. OGG, WMA, LOG, and lossless compression format used for various purposes. Working with MIDI sequence, creating music by arranging and editing MIDI data in a sequencer. Virtual instrument, software based instrument that respond to MIDI input, producing various sound. MIDI editing, adjust note timing, velocity, and other parameters in a MIDI sequence. MIDI fundamentals. Musical instrument digital interface protocol for communicating musical information between digital device. MIDI message carry instruction for note event, pitch, duration, and other musical parameters. MIDI controller, hardware or software device that generate MIDI message. MP3 compression format. MP3, MP is audio layer. Third is a widely used audio compression format. Logic compression reduce live file size by removing non-essential audio data, resulting in some loss of quality. Popularity. MP3 is commonly used for music distribution due to its best between file size and audio quality. Editing. A digital audio workstation software application for recording, editing, producing audio. Editing tools cut, copy, paste, fade, normalize, and apply various effects to audio clip. Multi-track editing, arrange and mix audio tracks simultaneously. Microphones, capture along sound waves, convert them into electrical signal. Analog to digital conversion, the process of converting analog audio signal into digital data. Software tools use digital audio workstation like Audacity, Adobe Audition, or Garage Band for recording. Sound cards. Definition. A sound card is a software component that allow a computer to generate and capture sound. Feature. Modern sound cards support various audio format, surround sound, and have built-in audio processing capability. Connectivity. Sound card can be integrated into the motherboard or added an external peripherals. Digital audio technology. Digital versus analog. Digital audio involves representing sound as discrete value sample, whereas analog audio uses continuous signal sampling. The process of converting analog sound into digital data by taking samples at regular interval. Computer animation fundamentals. Kinematics definition: kinematics deal with the motion of object without considering the force that causes the motion. The animation in computer animation, kinematics is used to determine the motion of character or object, focusing on aspects like joint, bounce, and movement constant. Morphing definition: morphing involves a smooth transition or transition between two images or shapes. An animation morphing is used to create seamless transition between different frames. Scenes often employed for a special effect or to evict transformation.